I posted video content to LinkedIn every day for 10 days, and this is what happened. We're always telling people to get content up online. We're always saying, hey, put out videos, especially for scientists and researchers. We're saying your paper should now be accompanied with multimedia. And that's one thing at Verbalize.science we're hoping to make easy. But the thing is first of all, how difficult is it to produce content? And I took it to an extreme. I decided to do something every single day for 10 days. And also, is it effective? So Saturday mornings are a nice way to relax and debrief from the week, the ups, the downs, and just get some normal stuff done. So now we're off to the markets. I always wonder if someone sneezed in those. Hello. Okay, so I posted on LinkedIn for 10 days, and this is the result. Have a look to see how many people have gone to my profile, and it's up 176% from last week. So yes, it works. I've had a massive hockey stick increase. Okay, I'm going to tally up how many views I've got first. I've managed to get, in 10 days, 12,726. Now, if I was going to go out and call 12,726 people, that would take a long time. So, is my message getting out there? Is my face, is my branding getting out there? Is my personal brand getting out there? Yes, to a lot of people. All right, next, I'm going to look at how many people have clicked through to Verbalize.science. It's not a massive number to start with anyway, but it has improved, and it's up 800% in terms of page views, and also up 400% in terms of the number of unique visitors to my business, Verbalize.science. So I would call this an absolute success. Hello, so the really bad things about video blogging, the only thing I can think is you have to be willing to let people judge you, and just there's a tall poppy syndrome in Australia, which means that people are really ready and willing to cut you down if you try to stand out. So after you get past that, it's not too hard. But another thing is that I actually was editing until about 2 a.m. most evenings, because I wanted to do a vlog style. So I would finish my hobbies at 10, and then I would have to go and edit. So that was the massive downside. But the question is, given that, was it worth it? People say showbiz is glamorous, but when you're getting changed behind a car, it is not.